Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to DOUGHNUT channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make flour donuts. This is very easy to make and it turned out so delicious, guys. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Your guests, your kids are going to fall in love with this bread. It turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. First thing first, let's start with the dry ingredients. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour, dry active yeast, sugar, a pinch of nutmeg, vanilla essence, and then stir this together till well combined. Once it is well combined, I created a well in the middle and added in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm, egg and salt. I'll stir this together till well combined until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll knead it for about 5 minutes. I'll add the rest of the flour and then knead it for about 5 minutes. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video in the comment section and in the description box as well. So once everything has come together, I added in softened butter and then knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes again. Play with the dough, have time for it, and at the end you get a great result. So please make sure you watch this video till the end because all the recipe will be there. I then added in about just half a teaspoon of oil to make the surface smooth. I placed it back in the bowl, covered it with a cling film, and then let it rest for at least 2 hours or until doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, I took off the cling film, deflated the dough, and then transferred it on my work surface. I went ahead and divided it into 12 equal parts, around 50 to 60 grams each. So bring one and then roll it in a ball shape on your palm or on your wet surface. This is what you're looking for. Bring one and cover the rest with a kitchen napkin or a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. After, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface, transfer the dough on it, sprinkle a little bit of flour on it, and then use something that have a flat surface as shown in the video, and then press it to make it flat. After, use a small round glass, place it or put it in the middle, and then use the knife to divide it into 6 equal parts. So what I did was first into half and then 3 with both sides each. After, pinch the edge together as demonstrated in the video. So this is very simple, it's easy. When you are done, go around to check if you've pinched the edge well, and that's it, guys. It's beautiful. You've made yourself a donut flour. This is very simple to make. I then cover it with a kitchen napkin and then let it rest until it has doubled in size before frying. Once it has doubled in size, I preheated my oil and then I fried these bad boys, guys. These bad boys turned out so delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Stay close to it and make sure you don't put your fire in high flame. It should be at least medium low so that it take its time or it have its time to fry slowly until it is ready. Stay close to it, keep turning until it's ready, and basically that's it, guys. This turned out delicious. It's easy to make, and trust me, in no time it will be ready. Involve your kids into it and they will gradually they will happily help you to make this beautiful donut flour. Look at how it turned out, guys. It's beautiful. It turned out yummicious, ginamicious. When you get to this point, remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. Please bear in mind, make sure you toast it in sugar whilst it's still warm. So I toast mine in the sugar whilst it's still warm, or you can do it without the sugar. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Isn't it wonderful? It's beautiful, guys. And it's not only beautiful, but it is so delicious. So the one without the sugar that I didn't coat it with sugar, just look at it. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.